Today you're using long division with decimals to determine the best buy, which actually in this case, in all of these cases, it's the better buy because you have two options. When you're comparing two things, it's better. If it's more than two, it's best. However, to the point of math, let me show you what you do. You go and find ham from Poland, 2 kilograms of ham from Poland. And it is $5.68 for 2 kilograms. You find Polish ham, which is probably just a different brand of the very same thing, and it is on sale for $1.5 kilograms, $4.20. So what you'll do, you'll take the whole amount and you'll divide it by the number of kilograms and see how much it costs per kilogram. This brand is $2.80 per kilogram. You have a decimal 8, so it's an understood 0. This brand is $2.84. So this one is 4 cents better per kilogram. It's hard to compare the prices when the prices are different, and so is the measurement, the quantity. Down here, let's look at number 3. We'll do that one together. Oh, before we do, in case you weren't able to read or aren't able to read the weight, this one is 2 kilograms, this one is 5 kilograms. I wrote it a little bit neater. It's my handwriting, so it's not a whole lot neater, but at least it's legible, and I think that you can recognize what it is. And if I also tell you at the same time, then you don't have to just rely on what you see. Number 3, that's the one we'll do together. We are getting this cola. You can either get it in 1 bottle or 6 bottles. And we want to, of course, find out which is the better buy. Typically, it's the 1 bottle, but occasionally they'll have a sale price and it'll be different. This one is 2 liters, so I'll divide the cost by 2 liters, and then I'll find out how much for each liter. This one, well, the cost is $2.73, but there's 2 different amounts. There's 2.1 liters total, 35 cents liters each. So each bottle is not 35 cents, 35 hundredths of a liter. So am I comparing the price of 1 bottle or the whole thing? Well, what costs $2.73? The whole thing. So I don't care about per bottle. To find the unit price, I'm going to look at the total. And this is something that you'll encounter for real in the store if you're trying to decide which is the better buy. You're going to find different measurements, and you've got to make sure you use the one that is what you're looking for, what will help answer your question. So then I will divide this price by 2.1 liters. Start with this one. 2 goes into 2 1 time. Bring down the 5. 2 goes into 5 2 times. With 1 left over. I'm so eager to write that 4. 5 minus 4 is 1. Bring down the 4. 2 goes into 14 7 times. Take my decimal, bring it straight up. This is $1.27 per liter. Wait, I can't divide yet. I have the dreaded decimal in the divisor. I must fix that. To make this a whole number, I'll move the decimal over 1 place. So that means I have to also move it over 1 place here. So I'll rewrite it. So I have 21 into 227.3. My guess is I'm going to have to keep dividing it out. We'll see. 21 goes into 27, obviously 1 time. Subtract, get 6. 21 goes into 63 3 times. 63. Bring up my decimal. I have I'm going to erase that now. I have 1.3. I'm looking for the total price. And so that's not how we write money. We would have a 0. It's $1.30. So which is the, oh, you're supposed to write down here. No, you write it for each. $1.30 per liter, and then you circle the better buy. That one is the better buy by 3 whole cents. You know what? I would decide which one I like better. For 3 cents, if I like little bottles a whole lot better, get in little bottles.